Galileo. Today we'll continue that lesson, but before that, first we'll say the prayer, then we'll continue our class. So close your eyes and join your hands, say the prayer along with me. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. Yes, children. In the previous class, I had told you about the pre-reading task, isn't it? Today, I will tell you the biography of Galileo. Okay. So here are some main points. So copy it down. The full name of Galileo is full name Galileo di Vincenzo Bonatti de. Okay, de Galilei. This is the full name, and he was born 15 February 1564 in Pisa, Italy. And he died on 8 January 1642, and he is known for analytical dynamics and heliocentrism and kinematics. Okay, these are the biography of the Galileo. So children, please copy it down this in your fate book neatly. Okay. So this is the biography of the Galileo Galilei. Okay, shall we start the lesson now? Yes. All of you open page number 25. It is common knowledge today that the earth is a planet revolving round the sun. So, it is a common knowledge what? The earth is revolving around the sun, isn't it? Yes. But there was a time not many centuries ago when even learned men believed that the earth was fixed in the space and the sun and all other heavenly bodies went round it. Means many centuries ago, long ago, the even learned men believed that. Learned men means educated person. Educated men also believed that the sun is revolving around the earth. The earth is fixed and the sun is revolving around the earth. The earth was fixed in a space and the sun and all other heavenly bodies. Heavenly bodies means moon, star. These are revolving around the sun. They thought like that. Who? The learned men. The man who first brought to light the facts about them was a great scientist and astronomer called Galileo Galilei. The man who first brought to light the facts, brought light to the facts means ಬೆಳಕಿಗೆ ತಂದ್ರು. ಯಾರು ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಅದು ಏನದು ಅರ್ಥಗೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಸುತ್ತ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೂರ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಅರ್ತ್ ಸುತ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಭೂಮಿ ಸುತ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನ ಬೆಳಕಿಗೆ, ಆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬೆಳಕಿಗೆ ತಂದವರು. ಬ್ರಾಟ್ ಟು ಲೈಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆಳಕಿಗೆ ತರೋದು. ಆ ತಂದಂತವ್ರು ಯಾರು? ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್, ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆಲಿಲಿಯೋ ಗೆಲಿಲಿ. He was born in a year 1564. As I told you, he was born on 15 February 1564 in Italy. In the Italian town of Pisa. In the Italian town of Pisa. Okay, children, this is the important point. Make a, underline it and keep it in mind. When the Galileo Galilei was born? He was born on 15 February 1564 in Pisa, Italy. Okay. Next, in the year 1608, a man called Hans Lippershey, a native of Holland, invented the telescope, the instrument which astronomers watch the skies. In the year 1608, 1608ನೇ ಇಸ್ವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಟೆಲಿಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದ್ರು. ದ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್? ಹನ್ಸ್ ಲಿಪರ್ಶೆ. ಹನ್ಸ್ ಲಿಪರ್ಶೆ, a native of Holland, and he is the person of Holland, invented the telescope, the instrument with which astronomers with the skies, means the telescope is used for the astronomical study. As I told you in the previous class, astronomy means ಖಗೋಳ ವಿದ್ಯೆ, ಖಗೋಳದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾನಮಿ. And the astronomer means ಖಗೋಳ ತಜ್ಞ. astronomer means ಖಗೋಳ ತಜ್ಞ. ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡುವವರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? astronomy ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡುವವರು astronomer. So he brought whom? The Lippershey, Hans Lippershey. In the 1608, he brought the telescope. He invented the telescope. The telescope makes the distant objects appear to be near and magnified several times over. What is the work of telescope? The telescope makes a distant object appear to be near. Means the sky is very far from us. The sky is very distant place. But by using the telescope, you can see the objects in the sky very nearly. You can identify the things and magnified several times over. Magnified means you can adjust that several times over according to your comfort. Next, coming to the third one, when Galileo, third paragraph, dear students, keep your concentration and also keep your finger on textbook. When Galileo heard about the invention, he became greatly interested in it. So, in the long ago, the Galileo was heard about the invention of the telescope, who was invented by the Hans Lippershey. The Galileo heard that and he became greatly interested in it. The Galileo became very interested in telescope. He had at this time begun to study astronomy, and then the Galileo was started to study about the astronomy, and he saw that the invention would be a wonderful aid to the astronomer. And the Galileo was thought that if I invent the telescope, means it will be very helpful for the astronomer. Holland is the another country, isn't it? So the Galileo also brought interested in himself, and he also invented one instrument. Next, he set to work on making a telescope for himself, and very soon succeeded in making one which was better than the one Lippershey had made. Means he set to work on making telescope. He decided that to make a telescope, and he set up to start working on the making of telescope, and finally he got succeeded in that, and very soon succeeded in making one which was better than the one Lippershey had made. Already Lippershey had made, Hans Lippershey had made the telescope, But then also the Galileo also made one another telescope. It is more better than the Lippershey telescope. Okay, students. Next, see the next paragraph. Galileo's telescope was the first that was ever turned towards the star. Means since ever the telescope cannot be turned towards the star, but the Galileo's telescope turns towards the star. That is the first one. Looking through it, he saw 100 times as many as he could see with his bare eyes. Looking through it, he saw 100 times as many stars as he could see, which his bare his eyes. Means first he succeeded to invent the telescope. Next, he started to do practical with the telescope. He saw the sky and he saw that 100 times as many stars as he could see. Many stars. There are so many stars in the sky. He could see the many stars with his bare eyes. As he looked at the Milky Way, the broad white band of light seen across the sky at night, and found that it contained millions and millions of faint stars. He looked at the Milky Way, means there is a long instrument. The telescope is the long instrument. You can observe it in your image, in your textbook. Okay, it is a very long instrument. So, he can see the Milky Way, means whitish. There is a one light in the telescope. And he could see the contained millions and millions of faint stars. Faint stars. What do you mean by faint stars? Means not clear. Faint means not clear. I will write the new word here. Faint means not clear. Faint means he could not see the millions of not clear stars. Next, he turned the telescope on the moon, and what he saw filled him with amazement. He turned the telescope on the moon. He turned the telescope on the moon, and what he saw filled him with amazement. On the moon's surface, which seemed so smooth, he saw high mountains and deep valleys like those on earth. And also, he could able to see the moon surface. He turned the telescope on the moon. Looking towards the stars, he turned the telescope towards the moon. That time, he saw filled him with amazement. Amazement means very happy. Isn't it? Amazement means great surprise. In the surprise manner, isn't it? Amazement. Amazement means a great surprise. Great surprise. By looking at the moon, he got that great surprise, and on the moon's surface, which seemed so smooth, he could see the very smooth surface over the moon. He saw high mountains and deep valleys like those on earth. Like how we are having the mountains and high valleys on our earth. Like that also same. He could saw the mountains and the valleys over the moon surface. Can you imagine these things? You see, no, all of you? Yes. Next, coming to the next paragraph, fifth one. Greatly excited by these discoveries, Galileo carried his telescope to Venice and showed it to the learned men of that city. The people of Venice crowded at his house to have a look at the looking tube. Looking tube. Here looking tube means telescope. Greatly excited by these discoveries, the Galileo Galilei was greatly excited. He could see the moons, he could see the stars, so he got an amazement, and he carried that his telescope, and he went to the Venice and showed it to the learned men of that city. He went to the Venice city, and learned man means educated man of that city. The people of Venice crowded at his house to have a look at the looking tube. Means all the people of that city has gathered and crowded. Crowded means all together they gathered in his house to looking at the looking tube. Looking tube means telescope. They took it to the top of a high buildings and looked through it at the ships out in the sky. At the ships out in the sky. Means they took that up in the terrace, and you could see all the moons and stars. They saw ships 50 miles away appearing to be only 15 miles off. When the ruler of Venice was shown the instrument, he was greatly pleased. He was greatly pleased with the invention and appointed Galileo professor for life at University of Padua. Okay. Here what happens when the 50 miles away appearing to be only 15. 50 miles away ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು 50 miles away ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಆ ಟೆಲಿಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು? Only 15 miles away. Means very nearer. That telescope was very much excited. Next, Venice was shown the instrument, he was greatly pleased with the invention and appointed Galileo. So, when the ruler of Venice was shown the instrument, ruler means the authority, the main person was seen that instrument. At that time, he appointed Galileo as the professor for life at the University of Padua. He became the professor of the Padua University. Next, the first telescope that Galileo made magnified objects 3 times their size. The first telescope that Galileo made magnified objects 3 times their size. Later, he made one that magnified them 8 times, but he went on working on larger and larger ones until he made a telescope which brought objects 30 times nearer. Again, he not left there only. He started continue discoveries on the telescope. The first telescope made magnified object 3 times their size. First ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಾಗ only 3 times of the size ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ನಿಯರ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. But later he made on that magnified them 8 times. 3 to ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವರು 8 times. 3 to 8 times ಕಾಣಿಸೋ ಹಾಗೆ size differ ಕಾಣಿಸೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. Next later he made one that magnified the 8 times, but he went on working on larger and larger ones until he made telescope which brought objects 30 times nearer. Means from 3 to 30 times nearer. 30 times nearer. When he invented the telescope at first time, it was visible only 3 times nearer. Later he goes on discovering. Next later 8 times. Next 30 times. From 3 to 30 times he made the telescope 30 times nearer. Okay. Okay students. Till here you read this lesson and make a list of these all new words. Whatever there in your textbook. We'll meet you in the next class. Thank you.